So I recently picked up this tempered glass screen protector for my Ford Explorer screen right here. We have the 2022 Ford Explorer ST. So let's go ahead and test this out and see how well it fits and if we get any air bubbles. All right, so these things just fell out of the box. So we have our installation guide, looks pretty straightforward. We have the installation kit. So we get some cleaning wipes, looks like some stickers, and a really nice soft towel. Let's see what else we get. So on the inside we have, looks like just one tempered glass screen protector. So pretty simple, and I really like that it came in a nice box. I was kind of worried about this getting damaged during shipping, but it seems like their box is really heavy duty and kept this all in one piece. So real fast, let me show you, this is what it's gonna look like. We have rounded edges, so nothing's super sharp. We're gonna go ahead, read the instructions, and then I'll show you guys myself installing this. All right, so for step number one, all we're gonna do is wipe off the screen with this wet cloth. So this should remove any smudges or fingerprints so that whenever we do put the screen protector on, it looks nice and clear. The next up, we're gonna use this cloth and we're gonna just wipe off any flakes or any dust that we see. And then lastly, we're gonna use the stickers. All right, so these just peel off, and then I'm gonna look for any flakes, any dust, and try not to get your fingerprints on the screen while doing this. This is pretty cool. We have a sticker up here that's gonna help us line this up. So we're gonna peel this off and we're gonna stick it over here. So we're gonna keep the protective film on the screen on the back and just get this lined up for now. So it should look something like so. And now we get to peel this backing off and we're gonna let this slide right in. All right, so now I'm just gonna apply even pressure and get all these air bubbles out. But this little piece up here is really helpful. And technically we could just go ahead and remove it right now. And we're just gonna work with these air bubbles. All right, so we have it all installed. We got all the air bubbles out and it's looking really good. The install is really simple. I did really like the fact that we had that piece of tape up here that helped us line it up. But as you guys can see, it looks like it does from the factory. You can't really even tell that there is a screen protector on here. So that's pretty neat. And if you guys are looking for a nice screen protector for your Ford Explorer, I definitely suggest looking into this one. And that's it for my really quick install.